many people are having trouble with the motors spinning on their Haier JW-C45A K washing machine? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Unplug machine. Begin by switching off the washing machine and unplug it from the electrical outlet. Step 2. Remove clothes. Carefully open the washing machine door and take out any clothes that might be inside. Step 3. Check for obstacles. Next, make sure there's no obstacles inside the drum that could obstruct the motor spin. Step 4. Turn drum manually. Try to turn the drum manually, ensuring it can move freely with no resistance. Step 5. Turn on machine. After ensuring everything is clear, plug the washing machine back in and turn it on to see if the motor spins. When you've completed these steps, your Haier JW-C45A K's motor should be reset and spinning normally again. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Haier users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.